Second one, it's a very important, it is one also. Now this previous concept we find out that one electrical intensity at P point on the axis line. Now second one is a very important 4 marks question. This one also it's a very lengthy also. So now what is that one? Electrical field. Electrical field shortcut I am writing because why it's I want more space. So electrical field at point P, at point P on the bisector line. Bisector. Bisector or another name is also it's giving equilateral. 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 Equilateral or perpendicular bisector also. Equilateral line or bisector line. To that one, equilateral means equilateral triangular I am taking. Equilateral triangular I am taking. So equilateral means every angle is equal. So here is theta, here is theta. Now give the sides A, B, C. Now it's a center point is there I am taking. It is a center point when you draw the perpendicular line. It is giving the height of the triangular, and from this one O point it is a distance. It is also a distance, means 2a distance is there. Now here in this one at A point minus q charge is there, B point plus q charge is there. Total variation 2a, means this is the total 2a distance. And at P point from the O point, like you take at a C point, not that, take a P point. This P point with variation r distance, with variation r distance. Now after here, you know about that one Pythagoras theory. When this is that opposite side angle is there, opposite side is r is there, it is a 2a is there. Now here in this one, perpendicular, when we have to get it, it's a is there. Now according to the Pythagoras theory, hypotenuse, what is that one? Hypotenuse whole square is equal to adjacent side whole square plus opposite side whole square. So means hypotenuse this one, then hypotenuse is equal to r square plus a square. Then hypotenuse is called under root r square plus a square. Means this one value what? Under root r square plus a square or a square plus r square. Keep it in mind. This is how much? This is also same. Under root a square plus r square. Means now observe here according to the Pythagoras theory. Now from this one, we got it the three sides. It is a 2a, it is under root a square plus r square, it is also under root a square plus r square. So from this one, when a intersecting line we want, means when increasing like this, there is a total angle is 2 theta. Because why? Outer angle it is equal to the sum of the interior angles. Exterior angle it is equal to the sum of the interior angles. So that's why, means this is 2 both plus q charge and minus q charge at P point is making the 2 theta angle with the same magnitude distance. So we have to follow through the parallelogram formula. Now write it this one. What is that? Electrical intensity, electrical field at P point due to minus q charge. Now E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into minus q charge is na, so minus by what is the distance? Under root a square plus r square whole square. So once again write it. E1 is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by a square plus r square, because why? Square root cancelled. So okay, now next one, electric field at P point due to plus q charge, then E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into, same directly I am writing a square plus r square, because why? Once again root is there, when a square root will be cancelled. Then finally, this is the first equation, take it, this is the second equation, take it. This both are charges existing the electrical field at point P with equal magnitude. When a two vectors acting at the same distance with equal angle, we have to follow through the parallelogram principle. Then total magnitude of electric field means E is equal to under root E1 square plus E2 square plus 2E1 E2 cos how much angle? 2 theta. Keep it in mind, cos 2 theta. Now E is equal to under root, it's going on very long, so it's a very long, so observe here, so I will write it up only, it's because I want more length. So E is equal to under root E1 square like this, minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square plus A square whole square. So minus also will become the plus only. So now plus E2 square 1 by 4 pi epsilon into Q by R square plus A square whole square plus 2 into E1 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square plus A square into same that we have to get it 1 by, it's a both of the magnitude is same, that's why you have to take it the plus only beta, so everything is also plus only. So 2E1 2E1 and E2 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by same R square plus A square into cos 2 theta, this is the length of cos 2 theta. Now after here it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus A square whole square is there, same this one, and A into A square only, so means common is there, so now is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon into Q by R square plus A square whole square common is there. Now after that, if you remove this one 1, here is also 1 plus here in this 2 cos 2 theta, 2 cos 2 theta. Now this square root cancel, means E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon into Q by R square plus A square. When you're coming outside, this square root is going on. Under root 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta, 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta. When a 2 common it inside the square is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square plus A square. Under root, if you 2 common it, 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now this 1 plus 1 plus cos 2 theta value is 2 cos square theta, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into R square plus A square under root 2 into this 1 plus cos 2 theta value 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta. So now 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square plus A square. So under root 2 into 2 2 square na, and means 2 cos theta whole square root cancel. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square plus A square into 2 cos theta. Now observe here, I want cos theta value. I want cos theta value. Once again write it 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by 2Q by R square plus A square, R square plus A square. Cos theta value cos theta. Angle is there na? Opposite side, adjacent side. Sorry, opposite side, adjacent side, and hypotenuse. Now what is the cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse means cos theta value a by under root a square plus r square. Cos theta value what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side a, hypotenuse under root a square plus r square. Now under root 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2a cube by this is that r square plus a square into this is that r square plus a square also we have to write it. R square plus a square root is then 1 by 2 we have to write it. Now earth are equal means the power if there is a 1 means 1 is there. So when earth are equals then addition the powers. When addition the powers then final equation 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2a cube by r square plus a square whole power of 3 by 2. Whole power of 3 by 2. We have to get it that. Now here in this one 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2a cube p only because why? Dipole momentum. Once again I will write it. Now observe here directly we enter it. A value is less than and compared with the r. Now a value is equal to 0 at a time 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2a cube by r square whole power of 3 by 2 square cancel. Then finally 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2a cube by r cube. Here 2aq is equal to dipole momentum. Then final equation E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into p by r cube. Means it is the what is that one? Electrical field or electrical intensity at a point on the bisector line. So this is that E1 and E2. So here is minus also. When take it in that one magnitude, we have to take the magnitude is given. So magnitude we have to take the positive only. That's why here whole square is positive. Here is also we have to take the positive only. So magnitude is the always positive. We have to take it. Now this is that electrical field at point on the bisector or equilateral line. So this is that. So very important this one and before that one. It is just only variation. In that one first equation, first one previous axis line 2p came. Now it is p came. Just keep it in mind. Don't confuse. That one is axis line. This one is bisector or equilateral line. Keep it in mind this one also.